Hello everyone. Today we're going to be doing a filter service interval on this Ram truck behind me right here that belongs to the owner, Brad. Now, as you can see right now, this truck's a little bit dirty, and the reason that is, he drives all over the country with this thing and puts tons of miles on it. Now, hey, say you're taking a road trip, running back and forth, get your low fuel light come on, and who knows, the only fuel station close by might be a bit questionable. You never know, that could have a contaminated fuel supply, right? Well, the FASS filters in our XWS 3002, this is the extended length version, this will remove over 99% of the water and fuel and filter those contaminants down to 2 microns absolute. Now, these are our extended length versions, right? They both have identical medias to the standard length versions, but these have a 40% higher capacity. And these are actually the filters that come standard on our industrial series systems, which are primarily made for Class 8 applications, which have those extended filter service intervals. Now let's go ahead and get these filters swapped out. All right, and that is a hell of a lot easier than replacing the OEM filters on your truck. I didn't even have to get underneath here or pop my hood. All right, just like that, our new filters are on there, and all we have to do is prime our FASS system, and this truck is going to be good until the next fuel filter service interval. Another thing to think about is it's always a good idea to carry a spare set of filters with you, especially if you travel. So if you run across a station with some very contaminated fuel, and it does begin to plug up the FASS filters, you can swap a new set of filters on and hit the road. And that's one of the reasons we offer the FASS filter packs, which are available in our standard length filters and our extended length filters. Just how easy is it to prime your FASS system after you've swapped on a new set of filters? Well, let's check it out. Okay, first thing, now on many of the Ram models, what you're going to need to do is put the ignition in the run position, and the FASS will power on for about 10 seconds. Now, many of the Ford and Chevy models, just put the key in the run position and the FASS will continue to run. So I'm gonna go ahead and get it in the run position. Now we're gonna go back to our FASS. Loosen the XWS and listen for a fast tone change. Okay, just like that, I can hear the FASS motor loaded down and it primed up. Now I'm gonna let it run for a second and go up, start the truck up. Okay, once you get it running after either a fresh install or a new set of filters, leave it idle for a couple minutes so that way we make sure the system is nice and primed and there's no more air in there. Now, for more information or to order yours today, check them out at fassride.com.